This is a 6-day program, and the whole program is based in such a way that it's going to show you all the aspects of the space industry. We will try to give you a diverse, super diverse program, so you can see all aspects and you can see if you like any of them, the themes and the projects and the locations and the companies. We're going to show you it's not all rocket science. We actually try to invite a lot of students, not only engineers, but also backgrounds HR, psychology, math, physics. You really build your network with the people around you. So what we have noticed is that people really become friends. People actually get real jobs out of the summer school, get internships out of the summer school. They even build companies out of the summer school, and some end up working at the companies that they visited. We also provide, as an organization, a platform where you have a direct link to us, for example, so you get the first invitations for large events, and also the Space Summer School Alumni event we have every October, where there's a specific corner for alumni, and we arrange the networking for you. Organizations have already confirmed that we're going to visit them or work with them. Airbus has confirmed we're going into their clean room. Of course, we're going to visit ESTEC, we're going to work with the TU Delft and Erasmus. We're going to visit Esron, of course, and S&T, Unmanned Valley, USPA and Leiden. SBIG, of course, with all the startups and the business case workshop. They all have confirmed, of course, too. And we have a lot more organizations, but these are probably the most amazing ones.